What is up, Plastic Addicts? Today we're going to do a build-up of the MPC X-Wing from Star Wars A New Hope. As usual, let's take a look at what's inside the box. We have several sprues and a fairly decent parts count. And one thing to note, this is a snap kit, so it's good for a beginner. Once the pieces are off the sprue, you can begin assembling your engines and then move on to the wing assemblies, which comprise the largest, most complex part of the model, but everything snaps together very easily. There is additional engine detailing on the underside of the wing that they made as a separate piece, so that's a nice touch. And then moving on, pop the engines onto the wing half, and there's two wing halves that comprise the X of the X-Wing, and it's the most complicated part of the model kit, but it's still overall pretty straightforward. Once you're assembled, just slide them together. Before moving on, be sure to give the wings a test to make sure the hinge functions normally. Next, add the front and rear bulkhead, and then drop the wing assembly into the lower hull, pop on the upper hull, and give it a good squeeze. Once the X-Wing is assembled and you're happy with all the seams and joints, give it a base coat, and as you can see, the base coat really brings out the detail on this little model. But we can really step up the detail with decals and weathering, which we will cover in the next video.